I'm Joseph Hoffman, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to play my super easy version of The Mandalorian. If you're looking for something more challenging, check out my late elementary tutorial. Okay, let's come to the piano to get started. Don't forget, you can get the sheet music for The Mandalorian using the link provided. That will make it so much faster and easier to learn if you have your own copy at home. So the left-hand finger 3 begins here on this A. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's watch that one more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Now your turn. Just try that much. Good, and after that, the right hand plays D, then the left hand plays C. Now you try. Now putting all that together, rest. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now you try. Good, then we're going to get ready by placing our finger 2 on this B flat so we can play 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. Now you try. Good, and then we'll have 4 notes stepping down starting on this C. Ba, 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 ba. Now you try. Good, now putting those 2 parts together. 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now you try. Now you notice I'm using counting. This is what all musicians use to get the rhythms right. 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Using that counting will help me hold those notes the right duration. Notice these ties. That tie connecting 2 of the same note means to just keep holding that note for both values put together. Like this C right here, 3, 4, 1, we have those 2 beats at the end of the measure connected in with the first beat of the next measure. 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Notice the dot of this quarter note adds an extra half beat to that note. 1, 2, and then this C comes right on the and of 2. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. All right, pause if you want some extra practice with that beginning part. Otherwise, let's keep going. So we have another rest. This little lightning symbol is a quarter rest, so 1 beat of silence. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. We have that pattern again. Now you try. Good, and then going on, the right hand takes over with a D, then step up to E. Now you try. Good, let's put that together. Rest. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now you try. Good, and then the thumbs of both of our hands are going to play really quick together. Ba, ba, bum. C, D, E. Now you try. Good, and then we'll have 4 notes stepping down starting on this F. F, E, D, C. Notice how they just step down. F, E, D, C. Now you try. Now let's put those 2 patterns together. C, D, E, hold, 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 ba, 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 ba. Now you try. Good, now let's hear the whole thing that far. If you'd like to try playing along with me, you can, or you can just listen. And I'll count the beats so we can get these rhythms just right. And rest. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Rest. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Pause if you'd like some practice on your own for those first 8 measures. Otherwise, let's keep going. Finger 5 is going to come all the way up to this A. And notice these symbols in the music. These are called accents. An accent means to play that note with extra energy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice we step down and then skip down, step down, step down, skip down. So mostly steps with a couple of skips thrown in there to keep you on your toes. Now, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try that far. And then going on to the next measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now you try. Putting all of that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Again, this will be so much easier if you have your own music to refer to. You can write in the letter names and write in the counts in your own music, which will help you learn this so much better. Now, you'll see this 3 bracket over some notes, and that just means this is a triplet. We're going to squeeze 3 notes in the space of 2 beats, which means they'll go a little bit faster because this is kind of an exciting part that goes da 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 da. Sounds kind of fancy, and we're going to have to come up to some black keys. So finger 2 comes up to this B flat, which we've played earlier, but our finger 1 is going to need to play a black key as well. Now, that can feel really awkward unless you push your hand forward. Slide your hand forward on the keys so your finger 2 is playing way up here towards the very top of that black key, and then your thumb can reach a lot more comfortably on that E flat. Bum, bum, bum. So it'll be left, left, and then right hand will play this G. Finger 1 is going to shift all the way up to this G for this next section. Now you try. So those are those first 3 notes of this pattern, and then your left hand finger 1 is going to slide down to this E natural, and then right hand 2 on A, and then 4 on this C sharp. So try those 3 notes. Left, right, right. Now you try. Now putting that all together, finger 2 on B flat, 1 on E flat. Remember, move your hand forward on the keys. 2, 1, then 1 of the right hand, and then this, this, this. We're going to play that all smoothly. Bum, 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 bum. Now pause the video and work on that section until you feel confident. Because in the end, we're going to play it about that fast. Da, 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 da. Practice that on your own, then press play when you're ready to go on. And then from there, your left hand just played this, then the right hand played this, this, and so finger 2 is just in the right place to play this D with the finger 2, and right hand is in position to play this D with finger 5. So if you follow the fingerings I gave you, your hand is just in the right place to play this next part. Notice how the left hand is just doing D, A, E, A, D, A, E. It's just going to go back and forth between these 2 notes, alternating with this A in the bottom. D, A, E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A, E, A, D, A, E. Now you try. Let's start on the D, D, A, E. Now you try. So that first one's slower. Slow, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow. See that pattern? The quick, 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 slow just goes back and forth. A, D, A, E. Try that one. Go. My turn again. Ba, 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 ba. Let's try it a little faster now. Quick, 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 slow. Now you try. Good. Then it does a slow one again. And slow, and slow. And quick, quick, slow. Now you try. Notice how the right hand has this whole note on this high D, while the left hand is doing all the fancy stuff. Boom, boom, slow, quick, 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 slow. And it's tied, so it's going to just keep holding. See, it's still tied, so the right hand just holds, 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 whole note plus whole note plus whole note plus whole note. And then there's this repeat sign, which takes us all the way back to the start. And we get to play the melody again. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, rest. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. since we've already done the repeat, we don't do it again, and the left hand comes down to play this low D-A. One other thing to note is in measure 13, see how it's a forte marking? That means to play strongly, and then that D-I-M dot means to gradually get softer and softer. So we're loud, and then it's like we're going off into the distance, getting softer and softer, and then the end. One other symbol to note is in measure 11, the C-R-E-S-C dot means crescendo, or gradually get louder. Da, da, dee, da, da, da. So let those notes build up in energy as we come into measure 13. Da, da, dee, building up, and then forte. Then gradually getting softer and softer. Ba, 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 ba. And then there we are. And that is the theme to The Mandalorian. Feel free to go back, rewind, and watch any of the things I played, however many times you need for you to learn it and to feel confident. And don't forget to get the sheet music so you can have your own copy at home. I hope you enjoyed learning to play The Mandalorian. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and see you next time. Hey, Chef, I got one for you. Okay. What did the Mandalorian farmer say after leading his horse to a big pile of straw? What? This is the hay.